What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hey, welcome. So if you can tell from the title, this video is a room tour of a particular Universal resort. A particular Universal Orlando resort hotel. And so yes, before we get into it, I just kind of wanted to let y'all know that of course I do plan Disney trips, but I also do plan Universal trips as well. And so if you are looking for me to help you plan your Universal vacation, then check out the link in my description box. You'll just fill it out with your vacation details, and I will get back with you shortly about planning that trip. And yeah, Universal is so fun. And I'm excited to share a lot of things that I saw and learned with you here over this next month. So, all right, so on to the room tour.